Welcome back. Tropical Cyclone Kirrily has developed in the central Coral Sea and is expected to continue strengthening as it tracks west-southwest towards the Queensland coast. The system is likely to cross the Queensland coast Thursday night between Cardwell and Bowen as a Category 2 system. In the longer term, the system is likely to track further inland as a tropical low, bringing heavy to intense rain to parts of the northern interior and western Queensland. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour are likely to develop about the Whitsunday Islands tonight and extend to mainland communities between Ayr and Sarina during Thursday morning. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour are expected to extend northward to coastal and island communities between Ayr and Cardwell. Including Townsville during Thursday, gales with damaging wind gusts to 90 km per hour may extend further north between Cardwell and Innisfail if the system tracks further to the north late Thursday and inland to Charters Towers overnight Thursday night or on Friday. Destructive wind gusts to 140 km per hour may develop about coastal and island communities between Cardwell and Proserpine, including Townsville and the Whitsunday Islands later Thursday. Heavy rainfall which may lead to flash flooding is likely to develop about coastal areas between Innisfail and Sarina from early Thursday before spreading to inland areas later during Thursday and continuing during Friday. Intense rainfall which may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding is possible near the track of the system, most likely with the coastal crossing during Thursday and Friday. A flood watch is also current for these areas. During Friday, the system is expected to become a tropical low and heavy rainfall may develop across the northern interior and western Queensland into the weekend as the system tracks inland. As the system approaches and crosses the coast, a storm tide is expected between Townsville and Mackay. For Mauritius, over the last 6 hours, satellite and surface observations indicate that the low pressure has intensified into a tropical depression. At 10 hours, the depression was located at about 20 km northwest of Albion near latitude 20.2 degrees south and longitude 57.2 degrees east. It is now moving in a general southwesterly direction at a mean speed of 15 km per hour. Numerical models are still indicating that the depression may intensify further to reach the moderate tropical storm intensity this afternoon. It will then be named Candice. The clouds associated in the outer circulation of the depression are expected to approach Mauritius late in the afternoon. A cyclone warning class 2 is in force in Mauritius. The public in Mauritius is advised to complete all precautions. The weather will be mainly cloudy to overcast with intermittent rain over the whole island. There are chances that the rains may become moderate to heavy in some places as from this evening. Wind northeasterly 25 km per hour with gusts of 60 km per hour.